Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Chrome browser on Android phone. And in today's video, I will show you on how to fill your save site bookmarks on your Chrome browser on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Bookmarks. Yeah, here you go. You have all your bookmarks right here. If you want to open any one of them, go ahead and click on Mobile Bookmarks. And it's open up like so. Then you can have access back to some of the websites that you have bookmarked so far on your Chrome browser in your Android device. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Chrome on Android, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.